So guys, if you plan on becoming a watchmaker, if you have this hobby just like I do and you want to start working on your watches, you can see that this movement on the right side is going to be a big man's wristwatch size or a small pocket watch movement. Then we have a medium-sized ladies movement and a very tiny, so small ladies movement. What you can do is to actually grab one of these, which is going to be a microscope, so a digital microscope by Link Micro. Here we have the exact model number. I guarantee you want to get this upgraded version because this is going to be a game changer. So you can actually see the three watches here on the big monitor. So you are going to get this right here. So this is going to be their monitor, their small monitor, but you can connect it with an HDMI to your 4K monitor. This is not a 4K, but as you can see, the magnification is crazy. And you can get this camera to be even closer in case you want to have even bigger of a magnification. So you can use this for a lot of other things as well. But in my opinion, if you plan on starting your watchmaking journey, I would definitely recommend one of these guys. It is going to be crazy.